Hi there, Dory Sukup here, founder of InSPAration Management. Welcome to the InSPAration Management YouTube channel. I am super excited you're here. Not sure how you found us. You might have been searching, or maybe you came from our website to the YouTube channel. No matter how you got here, I'm glad you are here. So I want to invite you to subscribe to this channel because it should be part of your life. We share so much great content to help you grow your business successfully. As a matter of fact, the only reason we exist, our main reason for existing, is to help you grow your business. We are specifically designed to help medical spas and spas improve their business. And if you're thinking about opening one, or whether you already have one, either way you'll benefit from all the content that we actually share on the YouTube channel here. Here you'll find hundreds of videos. We've been doing videos for a long time, and here you'll find all sorts of answers for questions that you have asked yourself or for things you want to know more about. So we have designed this YouTube channel to help you access the information easily. So you'll see some of the most popular videos first, but then we have different sections that you can actually go into. For example, every single week we answer questions from the community members. We call it the question of the week, and we give valuable information for all sorts of questions that members of our community actually have. We also have a newsletter that we publish on a monthly basis. It's called InSPAration Moments. And on those videos, you'll see featured articles that are videoed and also transcribed. You also see a section called Bright Idea, and also Dory recommends, with some recommendations that I feel would be helpful for your business. We also have all the business tools that are available for you to help you grow your business. You see, we specialize in helping you grow. So we have tools for everything you can imagine as a challenge for you right now. We more likely have an answer for it. We have downloadable content, we have webinars, we have seminars, we do mastermind events. So we literally came up with an entire business model that's proven effective to help you succeed. So I'm super excited that you found us and that you're here. So go ahead and subscribe to the video channel, and you can also ring the bell to make sure that you are notified when we publish new content. So make sure you ring the bell, don't leave without it. So again, I want to welcome you to be part of our community, and if you have more questions or you need help in any way, please contact us so we can be the solution for all the challenges that you have right now with your business. So if you have a question and you'd like some help, you can go to InSPArationManagement.com and you can reserve a success planning session with one of our coaches so they can learn a little bit more about your business and how we can help you. This is totally complimentary and you can access it right from the home page. So go ahead and click in the banner to the website, and one of our coaches will be more than happy to spend some time with you and make some proper recommendations for you to help you grow. And until next time, stay inspired.